Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, day 8 in Bohol. Right now, 6:15 in the evening. We are exploring Hermit beach. This is a beautiful beach for sunset in Panglao Island. I highly recommend for everyone go and visit there. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the real experience because it was a cloudy day. They all take a very good sunset photo over here, but current situation, I don't think so you can get a sunset today. Lot of clouds over here right now, but normally this is the best place for sunset. That's how the situation right now. People come over here with photographers and take a photo over here. So they do fishing and grilling over here, and local boys over here taking photographs, and one more tourist family over there. Actually, two families over there. But we are leaving right now. That's my YouTube channel. I'll see you later. Okay? Okay, bye. Okay, so we are going to the shortcut. Luckily, I have the flashlight all the time, so this is good enough already.
The boy says that this is like somebody owns
This land? So this is private?
Yes, but he lets the people come, I think.
Uh-huh.
And I think the constructions are because they're probably going to do like a hostel or something. You know?
Okay.
And that thing there is just for event, that or something.
Okay.
Music, like music. So
Okay. Yeah, nighttime sunset and light music is fine, but going and coming, there is even no light, man. It looks like a jungle. It's nothing permanently operating like a hostel or nothing.
Yeah.
Even if you put hostel this far, how people come? See path like this, how possible? This path look like in a horror movie. We are going to lose people and losing one by one. That kind of situation right now. So people like tourists, they are coming there and sit down peacefully. I can't do that, man. How I can do this? Look at the paths. Look around you. Look, everything is jungle over here. At least we are going before the dark. But still it's dark. We are going the right way or what?
I hope so because I don't know now. I think it's that way.
This way. This is the way. Oh man. Can't believe this thing. This is a mangrove, right? But why you go this way or this way? Oh my god, it's getting closer and closer. It looks like a narrow path. It is very narrow, man. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Gotta be kidding me, man.
I think that way.
This is streamline, man. Hey, we are going to the stream.
There's some music there.
That's the music there, but any footprint? Yeah, it has a lot of footprint.
You'll be alright. Don't worry about a thing.
Can't believe this thing. You got that much of confidence. I can't believe this thing.
You want some water?
No, I'm okay with it, man. Right now it's fine. I need to see a light in the tunnel, man. Still, we are okay, man. Look at the ways. How they are going to walk after the dark like this? Seriously, man. Now, if I came alone, probably I left before, not this way, the way we came in. I probably left before. Hey, still how far, man? So that is the place you need to take a bike. We are here at the main area. Look at that. Almost there, man. So I'm happy we made it. right now. Almost there to the main road. But anyway, each and every day different experience. Today my last day over here. Still we have to go for dinner, and I want to take a nice shot for the Alana beach. That's the bending right now. Let's see how it goes. So now we can see how far we have to go back and get the vehicle. It's right there. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in the next video soon. Thank you. What? Yeah, it's not a shortcut. It's the same. It's kind of same.
In this one we walk that way, and then we went back. In this one we walk straight, but now.
So that's our vehicle place. So we go get the vehicle, then we go back. Right now it's like 6:30 p.m. right now. So that's going to be